This is the Antigravity A1, the world's first drone that can capture a full 360-degree panoramic view. It comes with its own flight goggles and those interesting lift and tilt control bars. And for something that's just entering its first generation, it surprisingly manages to check almost every major feature you'd expect in today's drone market. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. It weighs only 249 grams, offers between 24 and 39 minutes of flight time, handles level 5 wind resistance, and honestly, it just looks cool. The whole body is finished in white, and then the camera strip on the front looks like a pair of futuristic glasses. What seems like the front lens is actually the obstacle avoidance sensor, while the real panoramic cameras are cleverly placed on the top and bottom. It even comes with auto-retractable landing gear designed specifically to protect those 360-degree lenses. Compared to the usual gray plastic drones we see everywhere, this one definitely stands out. But that brings us back to the big question. Can this drone actually meet your needs? Is it enough to take this out as your main drone when you travel? Well, the way this drone is positioned is completely different from traditional models. It's built less for the usual shoot, edit, post, and wait for likes routine, and more for letting you step into the world through a pair of smart glasses. It's about experiencing your surroundings in full 360 degrees in real time rather than staring at a phone or remote screen. So I don't think it's trying to compete with professional camera drones. It's aiming to go beyond that entire category. And because the A1 is meant for shared experiences, you can stream what the drone sees directly to your friends and family. You can also pre-plan flight paths so the drone flies on its own, letting you fully immerse yourself in the panoramic view. It even features depth tracking, so if you're casually walking in the same direction, it can lock onto you and keep recording smoothly. As for image quality, it uses dual 1.28-inch sensors, something Insta360 has been refining for 5 years. With their panoramic expertise, they've pulled off 8K 360-degree footage at 30 FPS. It gives you that wireless, free-floating perspective, and if you prefer standard formats like 16:9 or 2.35:1, you can simply crop the footage however you want. The overall quality is decent, though nothing extraordinary. And yeah, the night performance. Definitely not its strong point. You shouldn't expect stunning nighttime shots from this drone. But since this drone focuses so heavily on immersive first-person flying, crashing it would be heartbreaking. So let's talk safety. The A1 has 2 downward-facing cameras for positioning, and because of its panoramic nature, it always aligns itself with the direction of your motion-sensing controller. You don't need to fly sideways or rotate the drone to match the camera angle. But remember, at the end of the day, it's still a drone. So don't try squeezing it through doorways or tight indoor spaces. I have to admit, this drone gave me a feeling I haven't experienced in a long time, a real sense of presence that other drones just don't deliver anymore. Most aerial photography drones today are so focused on numbers and specs that buying one barely feels exciting. It even makes you question the point of filming from the sky in the first place. There are millions of aerial shots uploaded every day, but your perspective, your moment of curiosity or inspiration, that's something only you can experience. And instead of posting it online and waiting for people to scroll past and tap a like, this drone is more about enjoying that moment for yourself. That's why I genuinely want to own this drone. All right, that's it for today's video. This is just my first impression take on the A1. I'll be uploading a full in-depth review very soon, so make sure you hit subscribe and join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.